Hi guys, I'm back for another installment on our scavenger hunt book. I'm having so much fun with this project. If you're not familiar, Janet Young, and her channel name is Janet Young, puts this together every year, and she starts on New Year's Eve, and we have until April 1st to finish it, so I have to get busy here. Now, down in the description box, there is a link to Janet's channel and the video, hopefully to the video that where she describes it and where you can get the list of the prompts. Last week I made a little matchbook book that accordion folds out, and I will put a link right up there to the book and the video where you can see where I made this. But I am going to just tuck this into my pocket right here because one of our prompts was matchbook, so there takes care of that matchbook. Now, another prompt is to use a postcard, and I was very graciously sent a couple of postcards. One came from Kathleen and the other came from Mindy, and I am going to use Kathleen's big giant postcard right here to create another pocket. I have some things that need to go in a pocket, so I am just going to make one with this big postcard, and it sticks out the top, which is fine. I don't mind if it sticks out the top. Sorry, I'm off camera. I didn't mean to be. I'm going to use some double stick tape and glue. If I put the pocket on with just double stick tape, the things you put in the pocket can stick to the tape, so I like to put it on with both tape and glue, and so that's what I'm doing. The tape helps to hold it in place until the glue sets, which is not a big deal. It's just I'm just making it easy on myself is the deal. I don't have to hold it. Okay, now we need our page numbers because that's page 12. And when that gets good and dry, I have a few things I'm going to put in there. When I was cleaning up the mountain that was over there, I found this paper doll I had made. So, and this is a good place to put it. So I am going to put this paper doll in this pocket because it will fit very nicely in there if I put it that way. I want to put Mindy's postcard in there that she sent to me. And then I have this stork bingo card, which is really fun. It's a safety pin, dress, towel, baby spoon, rompers. It's from a game for a baby shower. Anyways, that's a bingo card, and that means that I will have used my postcard, put in my paper doll, my bingo card, and I will have made another pocket. Now, I've already made a few pockets, so, you know, this is just another one. I am just going to tuck those in there. Maybe I should tuck it this way. Gently for right now, and I'll put them in better before I put the book away. But the next thing I want to do, I decided I actually am going to skip a page and I'm going to do it over here because I need a whiter background. No, I don't want those just yet. What I am going to do is we have to use a stencil we have to create a page of hearts, and we have to use a toilet paper tube. So I have this fun heart stencil, which I am going to use ink to work through. And then I have a toilet paper tube. And I am going to actually use the toilet paper tube to make a stamp with. Now, I had flattened this tube out to put it in my container, and that works perfectly, because what happens is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fold and I'm going to reverse it. Just like that. Can you see how it turns into a heart? So I'm just going to, now you could tape it, I suppose, but I'm just going to push my fingers into it and hold it with my hands like that to make it into a stamp. And I am going to finish creating my page of hearts. Okay, it is not wanting to stamp right there, so we're going to have to rework it. There we go. I'm pretty pleased with that. That's a page of hearts. Now, one of the next things we need to do is we need to splatter paint. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do that, but we need some protection for our page and for everything else. And I think we will I'm not sure that's my favorite page or not, but it's not too bad. I think it needs a little focal point somewhere, and a little gold heart would be really cute. But I don't know if I have any gold paper around here. Well, I think I'll do that next time. I'll just let this page get dry, and I will find myself a little scrap of gold paper, because I'm sure there is one somewhere. I just don't know where. So next time I will put a gold heart on there. In the meantime, I'm going to go on to do something else. Let's see here. First, I need a page number on there. So that is 13. This will be 14. That'll be 15. Now then, another one of our prompt is snack packaging, which I have the top of a popcorn bag. Okay. And another prompt is feather. And I have both these little feathers, and I have a feather stencil here. And what I am going to do is first push that way far away from me, is to make some feathers out of my packaging. Alrighty, everybody. Let me bring you in a little closer so you can see things. I can't really close my book, so I'll just have to kind of hold it and show it to you. But this was my page of hearts, and using a stencil, and then I used my toilet paper tube to create the little heart by bending the toilet paper tube and holding it bent and ink and using it on the ink pad. So then now I'm not sure, glitter might be on our list, and I'm gonna have to look for it. I don't want to take the time to look for it right now with you all here, but I'm gonna double check to make sure. I may have already used glitter, that's the thing. So if not, and I need glitter, that's my glitter, but I'm not sure. Then in the midst of doing this page, I remembered we have to make an ad. So I made my ad with my snack packaging and feathers. I also used foil, which is another one of the prompts. I've used it sort of before, but not real well. So this is candy wrapper. So it's a candy wrapper, it's foil, and it's part of my ad. So I have snack packaging, I have feather, I have stencil, I have foil, and I had created my ad. Then back here, and I'll just have to try to hold this one up, I used a postcard that was sent to me by a fib, and I put in another postcard sent to by a fib, and my paper doll, and my bingo card. So that pocket is holding things very nicely. Then way far back in this pocket up front, I put my matchbook. So I got several prompts accomplished today. Can't do anything else until this one gets dry. But it was a fun day. I've been on here long enough now, though, that I need to go do some other things. So I'm just going to tell you, go have fun. Make some art. Remember to check out the Scavenger Hunt 2022.